Winter is here, and you know what that means? It's protective style season. Are you looking for a simple protective style this winter for your toddler? Well, guess what? In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how I achieve this simple protective hairstyle on my toddler's hair. Hey guys, it's Novella from Naturally Crowned. For all your natural hair tips, advice and tutorials, you're in the right place. If you're new here, consider subscribing, and if you've been here a while, thank you for sticking with me. I already started twisting her hair on this side of her hair off camera, so I'm now going to show you step by step how I achieve these twists. So I'm now going to part her hair with a rat tail comb. I like to use a rat tail comb because it provides very neat partings, and the partings also come out very straight as well.
Just think about it right now. Everything's okay. No matter where you find yourself, no matter what kind of stuff is going on in your life, underneath it all, everything's actually all right. You're okay.
I'm now going to apply Camille Rose Almond Dry Twisting Butter, focusing on the ends of her hair. As you know, that's the driest part of the hair, and then I'm going to work my way up. The Camille Rose Almond Dry Twisting Butter really keeps her hair moisturized in the twists, and it also eliminates frizz and makes the twist just look very smooth and shiny. If you haven't seen the video of how I prep my toddler's hair for a protective style, so before I do this actual style, click the link in the top right hand corner of this video once you finish watching this, and then you can go check that out. I'm now applying the Curls Blueberry Bliss Control Paste to the edges and the perimeter of this section. Now this is a tip: when you do this, you do not have to tie the elastic bands very tightly. This gives the illusion of a tighter, sleeker look without actually having to tie the elastic bands very tightly. So I'm now going to wrap the elastic bands around this section of her hair. Now I only wrap it around 3 to 4 times maximum. You don't want to wrap the elastic bands around the hair too tightly. It will cause a lot of tension and cause you bumps and breakage, and you don't want that to happen. So another tip for you: before you use elastic bands, soak the elastic bands in some oil. Now this will provide the elastic bands with some kind of lubrication and a bit of slip. This will reduce breakage also. You also want to make sure that the base of the hair where you're going to put the elastic bands is well moisturized. If you've watched my how to prep your toddler's hair for protective style video, you will notice that I did moisturize her hair very well before, and I've also re-moisturized the hair with the almond dry twisting butter, so that area is very moisturized, so it will not cause any breakage. Guys, comment below, do you use elastic bands for your toddler's hair when you're doing protective hairstyles? I'm interested to know. The final tip for you guys is, when you're removing the twists, always cut the elastic bands out instead of pulling them out. I find this so much more easier. When you cut the elastic bands out, one, you're not losing any hair, there's no breakage, there's no tangles, it's very easy. Cut it out and you're good to go.
You might be giving yourself credit for it. If you have something that's going on in your life right now that's challenging, a reminder to take a little bit better care of yourself. You're worth it. You can have this feeling anytime you choose.
Okay guys, so now you know how to achieve this simple protective hairstyle for winter. I've written a guide to help you further understand how to use elastic bands in your protective hairstyles without it causing major breakage. I've got a bonus for you as well. The bonus shows you how I make my growth oil, which I applied to my daughter's scalp next in this video. But to get the guide, you need to click the link in the description box below this video to be able to get access to this guide. This style lasts up to 2 weeks. I will re-moisturize during a week to keep it moisturized. In the second week, I will let her wear her hair like this, half up, half down. I'll brush the edges first and then apply a little bit of edge control, and then she's good to go. Did you enjoy this video, guys? If you did, like it below, subscribe and share it with your mummy friends or anyone who you feel may benefit from this video. I will see you next week Tuesday. Take care. Bye.